If you are looking to discover the beauty of Transylvania on the saddle of the top-of-the-line motorcycle, then Otisvei Motor Rent is the place to be. Experience the thrill of the ride and stunning landscapes that await you. Book your motorcycle now at Otisvei Motor Rent.
Hello, very good morning!
Good morning, everyone!
Today it's Monday morning. We just left our accommodation from Campaign. We are going back a few kilometers to visit the Roșia Montana mine and all this area. And after that we will see. We want to spend some more time here in the Apuseni. Sooner or later we go somewhere to check if we can find a place to balance our wheel, and then we will see. So join us.
Stick around.
So guys, this was Roșia Montana. We are coming down now because some local guys with some jeeps over there that tell us that it's useless to try to cross the mountain because yesterday was some heavy rains, and anyway that road is way difficult for a motorcycle, especially now that it has been rained so much and we have only 100% road tires, because I was planned to go to the Balkans, not to the Western Carpathians and off-roading. Doesn't matter, we are coming down, we're gonna circle the mountain and we're gonna go to the other side of the mountain, where is a small village which actually is not inhabited anymore because it was a ecological disaster over there, and the entire village is flooded. So let's go see how is it. Name of the village is Jamona, and join us.
Stick around.
And this is the way down to the church, which is flooded, but the company who's working right here, they put a pipe now. We cannot cross it with the bike, so we're gonna go walking from here. Follow me! guys. We asked these guys who was working on that pipe over there if it's worth it to go all around the lake. They said yes. So we're gonna try to go all around this ecological disaster lake or whatever it is. We're going back on the other side. That's it. So guys, exactly like yesterday, we stopped for a moment, fly the drone, and it started to rain. We have 100% asphalt tires, and we are in the middle of the nowhere on this muddy road. There's some houses over here, and we still have 20 kilometers to the exit from this road, like 16 kilometers as far as I understand. Hopefully it's not gonna get very wet. Let's see how it will be. That was, my friend, the Mud Lake from Jamuna. Now we are going down on the other side of the dam. It's a little bit interesting with these tires, but we're gonna do it for sure.
I hope it will be a better road.
Yeah, after 7 kilometers when you reach the tarmac.
Highway.
The tarmac. So guys, we came down from that off-road road. For the moment we are on the road 75 from Câmpeni to Turda, but we're gonna take a left turn on the road 107, which is some secondary road. I never been on that one. We will try to ride on roads which I never ridden before, here in the Apusen Mountains. So join us, let's see how it's over there.
It will be fine.
Guys, this is the Buscat Ski Resort. We are at 1,800 meters above the sea level.
600. So,
Yeah?
Yeah.
1,600. How much I said?
800.
With taxes.
Yeah.
Right guys, we arrived to the town of Ușna Poca. We're going to find a place where we're gonna spend the night, and we're gonna meet our friends from Cluj who've been in South America exactly at the same time like we've been. We're gonna have a beer because South America actually we never meet.
We never have the chance to meet.
To meet, yeah.
Yeah.
So pretty much this is it for today. Tomorrow morning we are going to balance the wheels and continue our adventure. So stick around. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye.